Today we're going to be talking about molarity, and what molarity is, it is a unit for measuring concentration, which is basically how much stuff do we have in a particular volume, okay? So that's going to be measuring how much stuff in a certain amount of volume. How much stuff, and that's going to be measured in moles, in a certain amount of space, okay, or a certain volume of liquid. Alright, so the unit for molarity is capital M, alright, so that's our unit for molarity, and it actually stands for moles over liters, the moles of the solute divided by the liters of the solution, okay, so moles of solute divided by liters of total solution, and that's going to give us the molarity of a solution. So we're talking about concentration, it's going to be the unit for molarity. Okay, so for example 1, how many moles of NaCl are in 1.5 liters of a 0.72 molar solution? So when we read this, it would be 0.72 molar solution, okay, just like your teeth are molars, okay? So we're going to start by writing out our equation, molarity equals moles per liter, and then we're going to look and we're going to see what information we already have. So right here, I'm seeing 1.5 liters, that's already in liters, so that's going to be our volume, so that's our liters. And then we've got a molarity here, we've got a concentration. All right, so here what we can do is we're going to put our 0.72 molar right in here, and we're going to be putting our 1.5 liters right in there, and this is going to be our X. What are we looking for is moles. So you're going to put that in, and what you'll see is we've got 2 of the 3 items, all right? And then to get X by itself, really you're just going to multiply by 1.5 on both sides. Okay, 1.5, 1.5. Okay, so that cancels out, and so X, what we're looking for, X number of moles, is going to be equal to 1.5 times 0.72. When you guys do the math out, you should get 1.08 moles of NaCl. All right, so you have 2 of the pieces of the puzzle, just put in the third, and you're all set. So example number 2 is a little bit more challenging for 2 reasons, so watch for the 2 things that make it difficult. Okay, what is the molarity of a solution made from 80.5 grams of NaCl and 400 milliliters of water? So there's 2 pieces of information. We actually don't have molarity. That's what we're looking for. So we know we're looking for molarity. So I can write that down. That's what we're looking for. But we don't have moles or liters yet. So we have to actually do some information for both of these. So the easier one right here is milliliters to liters. We should know that 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. So if I divide 400 by 1,000, I get 0.4 liters, okay? So that's the first thing. So now I have some info here, 0.4 liters. Second thing, I've got grams of NaCl here, grams of NaCl. So what I actually need to do is I need to convert to moles. So I've got 80.5 grams of NaCl, big C, all over 1, and I'm going to use my molar mass, okay, so I need to add that up first. So Na is 22.99, Cl is 35.45, so add that up, and you will get 58.44 as your molar mass. So now I'm going to put that in the denominator here, so 58.44, grams per 1 mole of NaCl, and then I will just do that math out to get my number of moles. I should get 1.38 moles. Okay, so now I have my moles that I can put in there. So that's going to be 1.38. Oh, I apologize. There's my 3. There's my 8 moles. All right, so I'm going to plug those in and see what I have for my molarity. I've got 1.38 moles. divided by 0.4 liters. So I can do my math out now. Do 1.38 divided by 0.4, and I should get a value of 3.45 molar solution. All right, so my molarity of my solution is going to be 3.45 molar, and that's how I figure that out. Last thing that I want you to do, I want you to try this out. How many moles are in 50 milliliters of a 2.3 molar solution? So remember, for molarity, you have to be moles per liter. Okay, and I want you to try this one out in your notebook. We'll go over it at the start of class tomorrow. Nice work.